BBLG.
AEO.
BBLG. AQST. BBLG. NEON. BBLG. NEON. BBLG. NEON. ZNB. BBLG, NEON, PPBT, PPBT, BBLG,
BBLG,
PPBT, BBLG,
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 BBLG, PPBT.
CMBT. 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 CMBT.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
PPBT. 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 HWH.
HWH.
PPBT. HWH.
HWH.
HWH. SNGX. HWH.
HWH.
SNGX.
SNGX.
SNGX. SNGX. EIQ. PPBT. EIQ. PPBT. HWH.
HWH.
HWH. BBLG.
HWH.
PPBT. PPBT. MOBX. EIQ. MOBX. PPBT. EIQ. EIQ, NLSP. SNGX. SNGX. BBLG. BBLG. ZNB. BBLG. 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 RCEL,
JBLU,
BBLG, LUMN, HWH, SINT, RNXT, DLTH, PTON, IRWD, SWIN, CIEN,
PTON,
ZNB. CIGL,
CIGL,
RCEL, WDH, BBLG, HWH, SINT, RNXT, PTON, ABTC, IRWD, CIEN,
PTON,
DLTH, ZNB, AQST. CIGL, BBLG, HWH, RNXT, PTON, CIEN,
PTON,
ZNB. AQST. HWH, RNXT, PTON, CIEN,
PTON,
BBLG, ZNB, AQST, NEON, BRIA, HWH, CIEN, NAOV,
SNOW,
LUMN, NAOV, CIGL, LUMN, BRIA, NAOV, ZNB, CIGL, NAOV, ZNB, CIGL, BRIA,
CIGL,
NAOV, CIGL,
CIGL,
AGIO. BRIA. BBLG. CIGL.
CIGL.
VIVK. AGIO. CIGL.
NKTR.
BBLG.
CIGL.
CIGL. NCI. BRIA. CIGL.
HOLO.
HOLO.
OSCR.
HOLO. NAOB.
HOLO.
HOLO. NAOB. HOLO. CIGL. NAOB. BBLG. CIGL. NAOB. BBLG.
NKTR. OSCR,
CIGL,
GTLB,
BBLG, BBLG,
OSCR,
CIGL, VMAR,
OSCR,
VMAR,
OSCR,
VMAR, VMAR, CIGL,
CIGL,
NAOB, NEON, NCI, CIGL, 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 CIGL. BBLG. HOLO. SSKN.
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 NUWE.
NUWE. HOTH. CIGL. SSKN.
CIGL. HOTH.
HOTH. NUWE. CIGL. HOTH. CIGL. HOTH. CIGL. PPBT. HOTH. CIGL. PPBT.
CIGL.
CIGL.
NKTR.
PPBT.
CIGL.
CIGL. SSKN. BBLG. SSKN. NAOB. BBLG. HOTH. SSKN. NAOB. BBLG. HOTH. SSKN. BBLG. HOTH. SSKN. SSKN. CIGL. SSKN.
IPDN.
CIGL. SSKN.
IPDN.
CIGL.
IPDN.
PPBT. CIGL. PPBT. PPBT. ZNB. IPDN. ZNB. CIGL. FLWS. SSKN. CIGL. IPDN.
CRM.
IPDN. SSKN. CIGL.
LAWR,
LAWR, SYPR, CIGL. CIGL. PN.
PN,
LAWR, CIGL.
PN,
PN. LAWR, CIGL. SYPR. PN. TE.
TE,
SYPR. TE. NAOV. SYPR. NAOV. PPBT. SYPR. PN. PPBT. VMAR.
TE,
SYPR. PN. TE. SYPR. PN.
TE,
GELS. PN. GELS. SYPR. PN. GELS. SYPR. PN. CIGL. SYPR. GELS. CIGL. SYPR. TE. TE. SYPR. CIGL. GELS. CIGL. CIGL. NLSP. CIGL. NEON. NEON. CIGL. NEON. CIGL. NEON.
CIGL.
CIGL. NEON.
CIGL.
CIGL. NEON. CIGL.
CIGL,
CIGL, CIGL, CIGL, CIGL, BSLK, NEON, CIGL, NEON, SYPR, SYPR, BRIA.
CIEN.
NRSN. IPDN.
CIEN.
NRSN. CIGL. NRSN. CIGL. CIGL.
CIGL.
CIGL.
CIGL.
CIGL. NRSN. CIGL. NRSN.
CIEN. CIGL.
CIGL.
I took control, went solo, and built my own online knife empire. I loved being a chef, but working in someone else's kitchen just wasn't.
N.
CIGL. CIEN.
CIGL. PN. CIGL.
CIGL.
PN. CIGL. PN. PN.
CIEN.
HWH. PN.
CIEN.
HWH.
Hey Hank, how you doing? I'm good, I'm good. Okay.
PN. HWH.
How you doing? All right. Hey JB. There you go, Alexander. Now you're thinking it through. Okay. All right. So, we had news. Nobody really cared. Okay?
PN.
Why is that?
LAWR.
What we do in this room, folks, is we teach you structure. And welcome to the folks who are joining us on YouTube. I'm JJ. This is the Trading Syndicate.
HWH.
And this is where we teach you how to trade using practical information. So here's the thing. We had news come out, we had no reaction, right? What about this profile? What about this market today tells you that something's a little different? Okay. Right? We had a massive liquidation. And we rebounded and filled the gap the very next day. Okay? Now this is the second time where the market has sold off, gapped lower, and filled that gap the very next day. We have multiple gaps underneath us that have not filled. Gaps to the upside. So what does it tell you when gaps to the downside get filled in a day and you have 4 gaps months and months ago that haven't filled to the upside? Well, the simple fact of the matter is there's a ton of people short in this market. There's evidence of that from the price spike of 2 days ago, the low of yesterday,
BBLG.
and look at the low of today. Right? You got poor low.
NRSN.
Right? You got a poor low, so you've got buyers competing. You have the short position moving higher. So when we had a news issuance come out,
CIEN.
these electronic trading programs that wholesalers use, they sense the order flow. And if they don't see any large, big sell orders coming in, they're not going to take advantage of it and hit the market down.
BBLG.
Right?
NRSN.
Now, there's nothing wrong with selling short. It's just when you have multiple short positions stacked on top of each other, whenever you get any kind of a small liquidation, like we did here, you know, we got that liquidation
CIEN.
down, and then there's the news. There's nothing going on here. Right? And it's choppy and it's slow. The reason why it's choppy and it's so slow is we've got a ton of people trapped
BBLG.
short under 64.28. And they added it to it yesterday. Now they're really trapped under
HWH.
64.54. You guys kind of see what I'm talking about? So why is there no follow through on either side is because the short sellers are trapped. The longs don't want to add size here. Right? Because
CRMG.
anyone who's got a little bit of market savvy is going to not want to build a large position on top of a short position. That's like building a house on stilts. Right? So you get speculators. And speculators didn't just fall off the turnip truck. So if they don't see a lot of selling, there's nothing for them to do. Now, that's great, JJ. What does that all mean? How do I take that and I make it practical? Well,
CRMG.
to make it practical, what you do is you understand that there's no follow.
CIGL.
When there's no follow through, it means your trades are not going to be as, let's say, fruitful as you think they're going to be. You're going to have to settle on making less, right? Until the market changes, right? So saying things like it's going to drop 100 points, that doesn't help anybody. What do you got to do? How do you actually manage your business in an intelligent way? Or say it's going to rally 100 points or drop 100 points, right? You don't know that, right? So instead of talking out of your butt, focus on your trade setup, right? I understand people don't know what's going on, so they're kind of grasping at straws, right? Yeah, we're going to have more news tomorrow and more news at 10, right? But for the time being, shorts are trapped under 58, under 54. And then if we go and split this profile from yesterday, well, look at what happened again. Look at that M low. That is where people were shorting this market under 38 yesterday, and M period did not do any kind of takeout of that low. It just boom, straight up and high closed. Right? So we are in distribution. We're taking all of this product and stuff that we've got here, and we're selling it up here. Overnight inventory is long because I'd say probably 80% of the volume is above yesterday's close. We are looking for lower, and we'll look on the open for a break of that poor low. When that poor low, if and when that breaks, we don't know exactly where the target is, so that's why we'll use the distribution charts, which is the 1 minute, that shows you cost basis and the discount levels, right? So far, we haven't even gotten down to 4 times discount from cost basis in the overnight, right?
BBLG.
Hey, Lear, how you doing? Right?
SNTG.
So for those of you trying to learn how to trade, what you really want to focus on, instead of focusing on what people are talking about in the room, what you really want to focus on is your trade setup. Now, when you first start trading, you don't know what a trade setup is, right? And that's okay. You have 2 trade setups. One that you should learn is the look below and fail. It's a simple setup. It's based on the oldest business transactions. When supply runs out, price goes up. Right? You map out your zones, and you take that setup from the edges of the zone back into the middle. Right? After you learn how to go long, it will teach you how to become a better short seller because you'll understand how to recognize competition from other sellers.
BBLG.
So if we go and look at this 1 minute candle chart, let's go and set VWAP.
SNTG.
VWAP's up here at 66. You can see there are clearly sellers just above it. Inventory is long. So inventory is long. What are we looking for? We're looking for shorts. Okay?
SYPR. BBLG.
So when we open, where are your areas of interest? 6460, right, which is just underneath yesterday's close. That's, look where we went in this period. We went, that X period went down to what, 61? Stopped and turned, like it's doing right now, right? We're going to be opening
BBLG.
at the top of yesterday's range. If we get above 64 quarter, we're going to open on a gap. Hopefully we don't.
BBLG.
So remember, folks, don't concentrate on traders that are saying they made 30 points or 60 points, right? You want to focus on your trade setup. And those of you who are posting their trades, we'd really like you to post them in the, you know, in that area. Does Steve still have that room to post the trades? Trade review, right? And folks, another thing about posting trades, we're happy when you make money, but we'd also like you to tell us when you scratch or when you have a losing trade. Just so people don't get the impression that, you know, this room You know, we want people to get the impression that we know what we're doing in this room. So it's okay to make mistakes. I do it all the time. I get scratched out all the time. I get stopped out. You know, that's okay, right? We learn from those situations.
Ayo.
Generally, Doc, the people who are buying highs are the people who are getting bought in or getting forced buy-ins because they're short. Or people who are chasing price. So if we open under yesterday's high, you're going to look for 64.58 to be taken out on the low, on the downside. That's your first sort of stop, right? Past the close. If the market can't get down to 64.58, it will turn and rotate and try and get above yesterday's high. Yeah, if you watch the replay video, Pollux, I took it from, where was it? This is what I took the balance right here.
SNTG.
And truth be told, had I come in a little earlier, later, I probably, there's lots of balance zones.
BSLK.
There's a lot of chop. Like there's a nice balance here, you see?
Ayo.
Right, there's one here. Right? The thing is, it doesn't really matter where you take your balance from because the inventory, as you know, as a market maker, never changes. Right? Right? You're a crypto market maker, so you've got a Bitcoin inventory and Ethereum inventory. You've got inventories where you put different products, right? Like a storeroom. So my levels are a little small. Right? They're only 2 points today. Not the best. Right? But I never redid them. Yeah, I don't know what's going on downstairs, Flavius. They're playing drums. And people are racing canoes and all kinds of crap. I have no idea what's going on. We could get down to 47, Aaron. Definitely. We got to get past the goalie at 54.5. How could someone coming in this morning choose that level to pick if they didn't trade overnight? Ah.
CIGL.
So glad you asked. Pollux, if you go into the JJ levels room, there is a document. That document is a 5-step document on how I do this every single day. I do the same thing. Right? And it's been there for, what, 2 years now? Unless somebody erased it. Here it is. It's the first post. July 24th, 2024. It was posted earlier. It got deleted, so we jammed it in there. Yeah. There it is. So I'm short biased, right? I'm looking for a correction down. The only problem, what's the monkey wrench in the works to lower price right now, is that there are so many bids from short sellers that if they don't see a size seller, they're not going to back off the bid. If they don't back off the bid, price is not going to move down at a significantly accelerated pace. It will be choppy as hell, right?
LITE.
You don't reset crypto. I don't reset levels either, Pollux. I'll leave it at 2 points. I've got a bunch of one-on-ones today and a bunch of stuff, so I'm not going to be trading that much. In fact, I just opened up my trading account that has my client accounts. So I haven't even traded yet because I've been on the phone pretty much since I've been up.
LITE.
Look at these 1 minute candles. Look how tight they are, right? This is just telling you right now that business is slow. So don't get all hyperactive at the open, okay? You see stuff like that, accumulation, distribution, back into accumulation, tight ranges, no follow through. Don't get all cut up. Sit back, watch, and wait for the edge of your level, right? So you wait for your setup, which means you wait for when the terms and conditions under which you do business are met. Then you execute, right? Otherwise, you're just executing for the hell of it, right? And that makes no sense. Right? Mark where the sellers are.
LCFY.
Right?
LCFY.
You can clearly see.
HWH.
There's sellers right here. Boom, 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 boom. There's sellers. 63 3/4. So say, for example, you had gone long at 2, 2.5. Well, you know that there's sellers here. So what are you going to do? You're going to put your sell orders around that area so you can at least lighten up your inventory.
SNTG.
And then if you're going to hold a runner, put a sell order at 64 1/4, 64.5, and see if it gets taken. Because if there's a wall of offers there and they're filling every bid that comes in, it's not going to go higher until we get more buyers. Watch, let's see.
SNTG.
SNTG.
So expect choppy, expect slow, right? And if it's different, then great, right? But do you see how that the seller's at 63 3/4? Right now,
BBLG.
they're grabbing those buyers because nobody's willing to pay higher.
SNTG.
HWH.
Keep it simple.
AEMD.
Overnight point of control has now moved down
BBLG.
from 67.5 down to 63.
SNTG.
64
AEMD.
and 1/4 is yesterday's high. That's why they're selling at 63 3/4, because they're front running yesterday's high. Because they know if we take out yesterday's high, there'll be some stops there. That'll create buying. So let's sell before, because let's anticipate where the selling is, where other people are going to sell, and sell before
SNTG.
they can. Right? You always want to be taking advantage
AEMD.
of the information the market gives you, not trying to impose your will on the market. Hey, Sonny, how you doing?
AEO.
AEMD.
When you've got smoke-free
SNTG.
satisfaction, you've got the freedom to do things.
That's right. Go Birds. Listen, we'll be out there rain or shine. So at the end of the day.
That blue and white is annoying. Could you stand in front of him? Put a little bling.
Block him a little bit. Well, listen, we've got a great crowd here. We appreciate it.
PPBT.
Folks, not far away over at the link. They've been tailgating since last night. Morgan's been with them. So let's check back in.
2 words today. Go Birds. That's what me
LCFY.
and Lurch have been saying. Hanging out here. Look, Lurch has his
SNTG.
ring. He has his book, Eagles Tailgate, the ultimate fan experience. That's what we're talking about. We're feeling the energy out here all morning. Hey, guys, how's it going?
What's going on? We're excited. It's getting closer to game time, getting closer for these gates to open so the tailgate can start going.
Oh, I'm so excited. Happy Birds Day. And
AEMD.
look at this truck. When did you get this done?
3 days ago.
3 days ago. So you're a diehard fan.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, my gosh.
Absolutely.
How long have you been coming out here to the tailgate?
We've been doing our own tailgate for about 6 years, but my dad's been bringing me here my whole life.
Oh, so this is special to you.
Very special.
And I was just showing this book right here that Lurch is holding. Tell us a little bit about this, because this is all things about Eagles and tailgate and the city bleeding green.
Yeah, it's about the passion the Eagles fans have, the traditions that we hold, and just having a great time from my personal experience to the love of the city.
And we're already friends because we're from the same area in Jersey, just like you. How's it going? Happy Birds Day.
Happy Birds Day to you as well. Go Birds.
Go Birds. What's the best part about being out here for opening day and now that the season is starting back up?
The fans.
Yeah.
Come on. The fans. Because it's a one big family.
Yeah.
And it's like you go entire off season just wanting to be around your family, and as soon as it gets to the first game, here we are.
Here we are.
And come on now.
What's the energy been like out here
Energy
today?
is the best. I love it. We've been here since 3 o'clock. We got right behind Big Carm. And if you ain't screaming Go Birds with meat juice on your hoodie, you ain't living.
All right, let's do the Eagles chant. Come here, Carmen. You ready? 1, 2, 3. E-A-G-L-E-S,
Yeah, you may hear that a few times tonight.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Can't hear it enough.
Again, we have one of the enemy in our house. What do they say? Keep your enemies
HWH.
close?
Yes.
Or
Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. And this is pretty close.
Yeah. His name is pretty close. His name is True Blue. So you will be in the stands tonight, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know that the Eagles are going to unfurl a banner that says Super Bowl champ?
I sure do. It'll be their second one.
That's right.
Oh, don't give me the 5.
It'll be their
again.
second one.
Well, let's reminisce, though,
ABTC.
because our first one was back for the 2017 banner, but this was in 2018, of course.
Yeah, this is the fall of
And
2018.
here's the reveal here. They have the smoke. You know,
That's
you have to
right.
make it dramatic when it comes down.
So it's going to be kind of like that tonight. Was this a foggy game or is that smoke?
I think that's just smoke.
I'm trying to remember back to September of 2018.
Oh, and rain.
It was raining.
Oh, then maybe, hey, maybe that's good then?
Oh, God, I was at that game. It was
Oh, look at that.
it was nasty.
Okay, so that was the unveiling. But when you think about, I don't know where you were this time last year, but this time last year, we were kicking
ABTC.
things off in Brazil. Remember that? We had the big Brazil game against the Green Bay Packers. So each time that we have a game, we try to do a little something to get the mojo going to ensure that we win. So because it was in Brazil, when you think of Brazil, what do you think of?
I think of waxing.
Yeah, right. So Mike got a Brazilian wax on live TV. Here it is.
Yeah.
Jalen Hurts. Ow. Alex Holly. Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, dang.
Oh, yeah. I got
Oh,
that
yeah.
ABTC.
one. There we go.
Here we go. Let's start the discussion.
Oh, here we go.
Ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3.
How was that? How was
man.
that?
It didn't feel great.
Oh, it worked.
Would you? It did work. Mark, would you agree with that?
I agree with anything you say.
Win! Wax! Win! Wax!
LITE.
Oh, my God.
Here we go.
Okay, draw it.
CSAN.
1, 2, 3. Oh, wow.
The phrase is on Good Day Philadelphia, when we wax, we win.
Okay, so we're going to say when we wax and you say we win. You ready?
SNTG.
When we wax, we win! When we wax, we win! I said when we wax, we win!
I'm
doing this because when we wax...
LITE.
When we wax...
I'm ready.
You know, I think that was the Friday before the Super Bowl.
That was, and we all know what happened.
That's
we
right.
ended up winning. So that was the theme of last year. Look at that.
Now this
but no
happened.
one took it like Mike.
True Blue, this was a still shot of me being whacked.
And this went viral. Like everybody was.
CTRI.
AEMD.
Here's something most drivers don't know. The older your car, the cheaper your insurance should be.
FLWS.
AEO.
AEMD. ABBE.
HWH. AEO. AEO. ZNB. IREN. HWH. BBLG. AQST.
HWH. BBLG. AQST. ZNB.
AI.
AI. CIGL. ETHZ. SWIN.
OPEN. CIEN. JDST. HIMS.
CIEN.
RKT.
NCI. TE.
ETHZ.
AEO.
DOLE. HIMZ.
GIII. AQST. HWH. BBLG.
AQST. ASST.
WDH. ETHZ.
WDH. TE.
TRNR. HIMZ. CIGL.
GIII.
PD. NCI. TE. ZNB.
ZNB.
BRIA. CIEN.
CRDO.
GIII.
CIEN.
AQST. HWH.
BRIA. AQST. SNDK.
NKTR. WDH. BBLG. CIGL. TLYS.
ONDS.
ZNB, BRIA, ASST, CHPT, NEON, ONDS, GIII,
DLTH, ASST,
NBY, NKTR, DLTH,
NEON, ZNB, AI, ONDS,
ZNB, BSLK, SNTG, IONX,
HWH,
SOGP, ASST, NEON, CHPT, HWH, ONDS,
BSLK,
GIII, BBLG,
AQST, CHPT, ASST,
DLTH, WDH,
SOGP, NEGG, ONDS,
ZNB, NEGG, TLYS, BSLK, SNTG, SOGP, NEON, CHPT, HWH, ONDS,
ZNB, GROY,
DLTH, CIGL,
CHPT, ETHZ,
ZNB, BSLK, AEI,
ONDS, SOUX,
SOUX, NEGG, PRFX, CHPT,
AQST,
SOGP,
BSLK, NEGG,
SMTK, CIGL, ZNB,
CHPT, ETHZ, ARWR, CYTK,
BSLK, AEI, NEGG, PRFX,
ZNB, CIEN, GROY,
CIGL, SMTK, ZNB, BSLK, AEI, BBLG,
CHPT, CWVX, CYTK, TXRH,
NEGG,
ZNB, NEGG,
DUO,
HIMZ,
PPBT,
DUO,
CIGL, SMTK,
BTBT,
ZNB, LCDL,
CHPT, TXRH,
PPBT, DUO, NEGG, SOGP,
SOGP, HIMZ,
ZNB,
HYFM halted.
LCDL,
HYFM will resume at 9 hours 40 minutes and 14 seconds. ARWR,
NEON, SNTG, PPBT, CIGL,
BSLK,
BSLK,
HIMZ, ZNB,
ZNB,
ETHZ,
NEON, SNTG, CIGL, PPBT, BSLK,
AQST, GH, HWH halted. HWH
ZNB.
will resume at 9 hours 41 minutes and 33 seconds.
NEON, SMX, SNTG,
HIMZ, CMPS, CIGL, BSLK,
CIGL, CAL, BSLK,
SMTK, ETHZ, AQST, PRTS, CWVX, SHLS. GH.
NCI.
ONDS.
PRTS.
ARWR.
CIGL. SMTK.
SMTK. PRTS. ETHZ. HIMZ. SHLS.
BSLK.
STIM.
SMX.
LUMN.
CIGL.
ARWR.
SMTK. SYPR.
SMTK. SHLS. AQST. PRFX. STIM.
Eden Pure, the original infrared home heater. Much imitated, but never duplicated.
We are going to go and look for opportunities to have Congress vote on rescissions and DOGE cuts. But we're also not going to take off the table unilateral moves that the president can do to spend less. And you see that working out its way right now as last week we put forward the first pocket rescission since the 1970s. Interestingly, Jimmy Carter did it, Gerald Ford did it, the GAO. We're not big fans of GAO. They are a quasi-legislative independent entity. Again,
HYFM may resume less than a minute.
But we put that up last week, and we're having a debate on it. It does not need a vote in Congress to have that money at the end of the 45 days just evaporate. So it's very, very important.
White House Budget Chief Russ Vought speaking in Washington yesterday, defending the use of rescissions while blasting the Government Accountability Office. House appropriators backing cutting the GAO's budget by more than 50% in the next fiscal year funding bill. Senate Republicans, meanwhile, signaling their dismay over President Trump's move to advance a $5 billion pocket rescission to avoid a government shutdown this month. There's only 12 legislative days left for Congress to act. I want to bring in Wisconsin Congressman Tom Tiffany. Congressman, I want to get your thoughts on this, and just to kind of give you some context here. If you listen to some of these Senate Republicans, their language is strong. Whether they act on this, who knows? But you know, Mike Rounds says this gives the Dems an excuse to block funding legislation. This could really derail appropriations. Shelley Moore Capito, she wants the regular appropriations. Susan Collins of Maine, she says this violates the law without congressional approval. And Senate Majority Leader Thune, he says, I support cutting aid, but
HWH may resume in less than a minute.
Congress should be handling all of this.
BRIA.
Your thoughts?
Well, spenders always want to
BBLG.
spend. I thought Mr. Vought made a very good point in that both Presidents Ford and Carter used this rescissions ability. And this goes back to muscle memory. We haven't had a president since Jimmy Carter that has been willing to do this. And this president is saying, I'm going to use every tool in the toolbox that I have to reduce this unnecessary spending that's going on. Remember, this is the executive branch. While we authorize the spending, the executive branch does decide how that money shall be spent. They do have some, the executive branch has some authority here to be able to decide what's where money is going to be spent.
HYFM.
You know, it's too because now that you're back and you've got this short legislative session, you know, as far as getting an agreement on the budget, are you forecasting that we're just going to get another CR?
SOUN.
Actually, at this point, as I've studied it this week, since we just came back in, Cheryl, after a month off here, I think if we just have a spending freeze, I think that's the best thing that we can do at this point. Freeze spending and allow the administration to make sure that the American people's money, which is enormous, is being spent appropriately and where appropriate, reduce spending. I mean, baking and beauty aids for Zimbabwe. I think the administration should have the ability to reduce that spending.
Okay. Well,
HOUR may resume in less than a minute. PDN.
I think an
BBLG.
effort made to try and cut spending with the big beautiful bill, and you know, I think the thinking was at the time, and the promises we've heard from lots of lawmakers as well, we're going to come back and we're going to do it another way. Rescissions is one way to do it. To your point with the $5 billion, I want to ask you about this. The Department of Homeland Security has opened a new immigration detention facility inside of Louisiana State Penitentiary. It's called Louisiana Lockup. It's going to house hundreds of illegal migrants convicted of serious crimes. Murder is one of those crimes. 51 illegals have already been moved there. Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers is warning about what would happen to the state's economy if the Trump administration keeps cracking down on illegal immigration. Watch this.
I believe that in Wisconsin, our ability to keep our undocumented people working like they are now at really high numbers in the state of Wisconsin, if he takes that to a improper end, our economy will be gone.
BBLG.
What do you make of that? Because there has been this discussion about, and we've seen reports now that about 1.2 million fewer participants in the labor force because of these, you know, the migrant workers, illegal immigrants, etc. So there's the crime side, and then there's the economic side that a lot of business owners have said we do need these workers. What do you make of this?
NEON.
What an utter disconnect from the people of the state of Wisconsin. As we speak right now, Cheryl, tens of thousands of Wisconsinites are headed to work, and they're keeping the Wisconsin economy moving. And the thing that Governor Evers and the other open borders people at any price, what they don't understand, or what they fail to realize, is they drive down wages for those working class people. And we Republicans are going to stand up for the working class people across America and in Wisconsin, even if the governor doesn't. It's a good thing that he has chosen to self-deport out of the governor's office.
SNTG.
Well, but you don't worry about, like with small businesses in Wisconsin and your state, if they do have to pay U.S.-based workers more, citizens more, that they would have financial trouble. You haven't heard from any of your small business constituents about
SKYE.
Oh, there's certainly concern in regards to that by a few people, but I mean, we need to stand up for the working class people of America. I mean, it's what President Trump has done, and it's why he won election. We should follow through on that mandate that he received. And so I think there are plenty of people out there. And by the way, the most important thing that one of the most important things we did in the Big Beautiful
will resume at 9 hours 49 minutes and 45 seconds.
Let's get those 5 to 10 million people who are on the sidelines back to work. They can fill some of those slots that may be unfilled at this point.
That's a good point. That's a very good point. So I want to ask you about this. Nigel Farage, he's the leader of the Reform UK party, testifying on Capitol Hill yesterday, hoping to put an end to the United Kingdom's clampdown on free speech, Congressman. That was in front of the House Judiciary Committee. You're a part of that committee. What was your reaction to his comments?
DABA. HWH may resume in less than a minute.
The buy one, get one free deal on Vanish holsters is soon going to be a little bit pricier.
HIMZ.
That's right. Prices finally are going up. We just have a few more weeks of this special where you can get it right now for the special price on the next page. And after that, we'll be hiking the price just a little bit. But hey, $1 saved is $1 earned. So get this now and let me show you why it's probably the perfect holster for you. Make no mistake, the Vanish holster is not the perfect holster for everyone, but it might be perfect for you. And in a few seconds, I'll show you how to get one for free. Now, the reason why you might prefer the Vanish holster for everyday carry is because it solves one of the biggest problems that people like you and I have with carrying a gun. It makes carrying a 2-pound piece of metal with you everywhere as comfortable as possible. And it does this safely thanks to a built-in trigger guard and discreetly too. We've got
HIMZ.
No, I hope people go back and watch it because it was a sterling performance as he set Democrats straight in regards to free speech. He welcomes free speech, and England and other countries in the EU, it appears they don't at this point. I mean, they are trying to stifle speech on the major social media platforms almost all that are here
BBLG.
in the United States. They want to control speech. We're saying you don't get to do it. The danger here is that they do have some clout over there in the European Union and specifically in England to be able to stifle that speech. We need to make sure that that doesn't happen. We're going to make it under the leadership of Chairman Jordan and Judiciary. We're going to make it as difficult as possible for them to be stifling speech because that spills over to the United States.
Interesting, Congressman. I've got my colleague Todd Pyro. He's got a question for you.
And Congressman, building on the spillover that you just discussed, when you speak to your colleagues on the other side of the aisle, in private, in public, regardless, do you get the sense that they would welcome such controls on speech here in our country? Because if so, that is extremely concerning, assuming at some point that the Republicans no longer control Congress.
BLNE.
When they, my questioning to Mr. Farage yesterday included, why are they going after you in regards to this, in particular the Democrats? And it's because they term them the far-right parties, which of course here in the United States I belong to that party, which they say is so-called far-right.
Halted.
It is in regards
SNTG
to immigration.
Will resume at 9 hours, 52 minutes and 32 seconds.
Transgender ideology. That is what they are objecting to, that people would actually say, hey, there's something wrong here when a country can't even control its borders, when you can't call out this whole notion that men can become women. I mean, that's what's really at the heart of this. They're trying to stifle that type of speech. And the Europeans are steadily rising up, and you're seeing Nigel Farage as one of the leaders saying, stop the nonsense.
And that is why his profile and his position and his power has grown in the UK, in particular because of the immigration issue. I think 65 million illegals have flooded into Europe, and it's not just the UK. We're seeing other countries that political wind is really shifting because of illegal immigration, Congressman. So I'm glad you brought that up. Congressman Tom Tiffany, thank you for being with us. We really appreciate it.
Always good to join you, Cheryl.
All right. Thank you, sir.
This is the Omen, a classic slip-on shop boot loaded with modern comfort and performance features. So let me walk you through it. We'll start on the outside and work our way in. As you'll see here, we got that grip.
BLNE. ZNB.
ZNB.
IPDN.
BBLG.
BBLG.
ZNB.
SCVL. IPDN.
CIGL. APLM.
ELF.
MGIH. BBLG.
BBLG.
ERNA. ZNB. CIGL.
ELF.
POLA.
IPDN.
ERNA. ZNB. CIGL.
POLA. NBY. ELF.
POLA.
SNTG may resume in less than a minute.
APLM.
IPDN. SCVL.
CIGL.
APLM.
HOUR. POLA. HYFM. APLM.
IPDN.
HOUR. POLA. BBLG. APLM. SNTG. HOUR.
LAWR.
BBLG.
APLM
POLA.
halted. APLM will resume at 9 hours 57 minutes and 2 seconds.
HYFM.
OPEN. CRCA.
LAWR.
ELF.
BBLG. POLA. SOGP.
MSTZ. POLA.
PPBT. LAWR. CIGL. BBLG.
SNTG halted.
POLA.
SNTG will
ZNB.
resume at 9 hours 58
UP.
minutes and 12 seconds. UP.
CIGL. BBLG. ELAB. LAWR. UP.
UP. OPEN.
CIGL. LAWR. UP. BBLG. ZNB. NEON. POLA. HOUR.
OPEN.
CIGL.
UP.
UP. LAWR. BBLG.
OPAD. OPEN. MSTZ. APLM may resume in less than a minute.
LAWR. BBLG. POLA.
OPAD.
HOUR. BBLG. LAWR. POLA.
BBLG.
HOUR.
OPAD.
BBLG.
SNTG may resume in less than a minute. LAWR. HIMZ. BBLG.
SMTK. HOUR. BBLG.
SMTK. OPAD.
SMTK. BBLG. APLM.
BBLG.
SMTK.
MSTZ.
BBLG.
IMA halted. IMA will resume at 10 hours 3 minutes and 2 seconds.
BBLG. POLA.
BBLG. POLA. UP. SCVL. ROBN.
SNTG. BBLG. POLA.
BBLG.
CIGL.
OPAD. OPEN. ROBN.
SNTG.
SMTK. UP.
POLA. SMTK.
OPEN.
SNTG.
OPAD.
OPAD.
UP.
PPBT.
PPBT. ROBN.
POLA.
CRDO. BBLG.
BBLG.
INOD. ATYR.
OPAD.
OPEN. OPAD. ROBN. CONL.
BBLG.
BBLG.
OPAD.
OPEN. IMA may resume in less than a minute.
GMHS.
INOD. ROBN.
BBLG.
NCI.
SNTG.
AI.
NCI. CIGL.
OPEN. OPAD. UP.
OPAD.
INOD.
NCI.
NCI.
CIGL.
LUMN. UP. AI.
BBLG.
OPAD.
OPAD. NCI. CIGL.
LUMN. NCI. NBY. MSTZ. UP.
OPAD. NCI. CIGL. NBY.
NCI. INOD.
HOUR.
MSTZ. TSLQ. NBY. LUMN.
NCI.
LABD.
CIGL. NBY. POLA.
NBY. INOD.
BBLG. NCI.
LABD.
SNTG. NBY. POLA.
LUMN. NCI. NBY.
BBLG. NCI. ZNB.
LABD.
NBY.
MSTZ. SMST. LUMN.
SNTG. BBLG.
ASPI.
CIGL.
LABD.
SNTG.
SCVL.
CIGL.
LABD.
NCI. SNTG. POLA. CIGL.
INOD. TSLQ.
LCFY. NCI. SNTG.
NCI. ASPI.
CIGL.
INOD.
NCI. LAWR. SNTG. ZNB.
ASPI. INOD.
UFG. NCI. LAWR.
SMCX. SMCL.
NCI. LAWR.
TSLQ.
CIGL.
MSTZ. SMST. SMCX. ASPI. LABD.
NCI. CIGL.
MSTZ.
SNTG.
SMST.
BBLG. CIGL.
INOD.
SMTK. BBLG.
SMTK. AI.
CIGL.
Imagine bringing your side project to life just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
SMTK. BBLG.
SMTK. AI.
CIGL.
INOD.
XHG. SMTK. BBLG. CIGL.
UP. PD. INOD. AFRM.
CIGL. HYFM.
SMCX. ROBN. INOD. AFRM.
CIGL.
ROBN. UP.
SNTG. CIGL.
AFRM.